In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Google Messages chat feature stuck on trying to verify. So if you're trying to verify your phone number in Google Messages but it is not being able to do so, there are a few things that you can do in order to fix it. So if the phone number is connected with your Google account, what you can do is simply open the Google. You can see over here Google has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option, manage your Google account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to manage your Google account. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, personal info. Now you'll be able to access the personal informations over here. You'll be able to find various personal info. What you have to do is find this option for phone and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the phone number that you're trying to verify in this interface. So what you have to do is make sure to turn the feature on in your device. So simply toggle on the button right next to the device that you're trying to verify your phone number on. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see this information. Tap on this option, yes, I'm in. Now you can see over here it will be toggled on. Now try verifying your phone number again and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there are few things that you can do in order to fix that. For that, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the Google Messages. What you have to do is find the application for Google Messages and long press on it. Now tap on this option, App Info. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface. Find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, your problem should be solved. If not, what you can do is simply try turning on the airplane mode for a minute. For that, scroll down from the top of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for airplane mode and tap on it. Now you can see over here the Wi-Fi and mobile data will be disabled. Wait for a minute and turn it off. Now after you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, you'll have to contact the carrier services. Your carrier might need to unlock the features or resolve the network issues preventing the verification. So simply contact them and your problem will be solved. So that is how you fix Google Messages chat feature stuck on trying to verify. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.